Hello everyone, good evening. This is Love Issue. This is Blessing. Thank you everyone that comes to our channel to watch and to listen to our comments about latest event and viral video. Now, this evening someone sent me this video, and when I saw it, I just didn't know what to think about it or what to make of it, because there are different sides to the story. I'm going to show you this video. For me, it was disturbing because living in the Western world, some of the things that happen in Africa, or some of the things that we take into consideration in Africa on this part of the world, can be taken to be something else. So when I saw this video, my mind was thinking about so many things and so many reasons why this video is wrong. So I'm going to play the video of two women confessing to witchcraft, and I want you to pay attention to how the men they were asking the question were asking them question, and how they were putting words into their mouth, and the fact that that place was actually like a town hall meeting. So a lot of people were there, conjuring them and threatening them. Okay, so watch this video now, come back.
For that line of group for witchcraft where this boy called, I'm not so fine. And the next thing we tell we now say, we don't kill plenty people. And I ask you, say, make you give me an example of the people who don't kill them. At least you don't give me two. Who were the two people that want to kill them?
About which one? I say 5.
Okay, now 5.
Yeah.
This thing don't stay. Okay, wait. Now wait. What you are one here for here now the truth. And nothing but the truth. Because now only truth will save all man for this place. Because from the beginning, when I be tell with the truth, we don't go suffer. All people now old people there. I don't like for see me they suffer old man. But when I say because this pains for ourselves. So I just beg say make the truth. When I tell you the truth, so that these things that will solve them and make it. The truth I say, when we don't establish every truth. If we want somebody to deliver, when I don't deliver, and these things. Okay, so now wait.
You will see the truth today.
Okay, so you tell me at least some 2 names the way you kill.
Papa never called 2 names.
Okay.
Never called the one.
Okay, now 2. All right, tell me the people them.
I said,
Number 1,
Francis.
Francis who?
The one we are following.
Okay, you keep Francis.
Oh, brother.
You keep Francis. Another person.
With my papa.
You kill your papa.
I put my missy.
You put your mommy sick.
I kill Obama.
You kill Obama.
With Bob Joe.
With Bob Joe. Now the 5 people than that. Village when I don't hear. No.
I never change.
No, you never change from where to wait up. Alright, true that. The next thing I want to ask you. This thing where this begin talk about this thing not true and a lie, because this one, if you don't tell me the truth, will tie you.
Papa, where may I tell you?
This thing, wait no. This thing where this begin talk about this thing not true and a lie.
Wait till we drop, Papa, not lie. The one we agree, no, I don't tell you.
No.
The one we agree, Papa,
don't for that stick.
I beg.
Next, when I don't hear to a sister Benetton. Say, oh, when I forget when I did for that group. He don't name me own people the way kill them. Now he own them that own. He never call on our own. I want me to tell me your own. Tell me your own. The one way your hand the day. Talk him. Because any man they talk now for himself. No man never talk for you, call the other person say now he bring this person. He determine that he owns himself where it himself do him. Tell me the one where you yourself don't do him.
I kill my picking.
You kill your picking, which one that?
That one will die, man picking.
The man picking will die. Yes, you kill it. Who again?
Well, that man small picking too. Where they me for belly, I come out. Then I go knock belly, the picking to die. Now 2 picking.
Then who again?
No man.
Mami the day.
Mami the day. You don't call her more than 6 day.
Rope day for my day. So the top.
My picking where my picking is born.
Picking where you are picking bonam. Which you are picking that?
My darling. Very well in career.
Bele we carry am.
So they begin to die.
And
then three.
Now 3 which one again?
No one.
Talk the one there for outside.
The one there for outside now, which one then? Wait, you hold the road, not I am. The one there for outside now, which one and which? That one are the one inside your house, the one that they outside the day, the one where you put sick, the one where you don't do them, other thing them. Now which one them talk about here? The one where you give wish now, which one? The one where you give wish, you give wish for which one?
Yes.
No, give wish.
Don't lie.
Mommy, oh.
Lie.
Mommy, you don't start telling.
Alright, thank you so much for watching that video. Now, these two women, they are elderly. So I'm going to believe that either they don't have family, they don't have anyone speaking for them, or they are one of the downtrodden in the society, so they are very poor for them to be treated this way, okay? Now, I know African believe in witches and witchcraft. I get that. But so many times, I'm aware that people are accused of practicing witchery or witchcraft or wizardry without any evidence. Now, these women are made to confess to a sin, which there is no, apart from what they are saying, people are, the man that was speaking was saying, you did this, and the women were forced to confess. How are they sure? Where is the evidence? In my own opinion, I feel these women actually are being made to confess this on their duress. Now, these women could be suffering from mental illness. They could actually not be normal. They could actually be having dementia or something else. I mean, if these people or the person that is about to deliver them is so sure, or they are aware of the activity, they know what they've done, why are they not taken to police? I know police don't believe in witchcraft, but the point is that they are forcing them to say something. The other man on the background, you could hear him reminding the old woman of who she has killed. You thought you killed this person. I mean, oh, for crying out loud, yeah. I mean, I know from another angle, people will say, oh yeah, maybe they are witches. I mean, I get it. It's possible. That's African belief. But where is the evidence? Where is the evidence? Where is the evidence? That's all I can say. Do I believe that witches exist? Yes, I do, based on African culture. Do I believe that witches can kill people? Yes, I do, based on African culture. But the point is, you cannot accuse someone of being a witch unless you are aware, unless you're part of the society, you know. The way the man is talking about what this woman did is as if he's aware, he knows. So that means he's also part of them. Now, this is supposed to be a church, and oh God, the things that are happening in Nigeria, in Africa, these women could actually have been paid by this pastor to come and confess this so that he would get a lot of popularity and make a lot of money that day. Poverty can make people do a lot of things. She's calling names, and the pastor is even reminding her of people that she did whatever she did with. And being poor, people do a lot of silly things because they are poor in Africa. It's just being paid, and they will say whatever they want to say, and then they just move on. It might not even be their community, it might be their community, we don't know. But this video is out there, and this woman, I'm not going to call them innocent because I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? A lot of people are abusing them and calling them witches and witchcraft, and telling them they have killed these people. But before we start abusing them, can we be sure of what we're saying? Can people just give us evidence? Can people from their village or their own children, or can someone that knows them very well come out and talk about them? This man is a deliverance ministry man. He is doing his business. With what we see in Nigeria going on, where people are paid to come and confess that they have miracle, or confess that, I don't believe anything I see on social media. So this is my take on this video. If you have seen this video going viral, what do you think? Do you think the way they're handling this is okay? Remember, when people are poor, when people are desperately in need of money, when a society is hungry, anyone can prey on their vulnerability. And that is what I feel is happening to these old women, okay? No one to speak for them. They don't have family. And all they want is to be paid. And they can confess to anything. I'm telling you, they can even confess to killing everybody in their village. And the deliverance ministry gets all the glory for catching a witch. Maybe they might even burn them. It's a pity. It's a pity that, people just are so gullible. We believe everything that we see. It just become a drama. And if these people are actually responsible for everything that they've said that they've done, hand them over to the police. Hand them over to the police. Let them, I know Nigerian will say, police don't believe. Yeah, police don't believe in witchcraft. So pray for them now. Why are you disgracing them? Oh, God. Anyway, what do you guys think about this story? Have you seen the video? What do you think when you watched it? For me, I just feel this is just cock and bull story. Even if it's real, there's a better way to handle it. Not this way. Why disgrace these old women? Even if they killed people, sort them out in a more better way. Deliver them. Don't make a caricature and put their video out there. Who are you doing it for? Is it a show? Is that what Christianity is all about? Yeah, they are in a society, and yes, they are witches and witchcraft. If that is what you believe, deliver them. Don't make a video out of it. Don't make it viral. When you make it viral, it's as if you are celebrating your ministry through them, which is not necessary. All right, thank you so much. That is my take on this video. All right, take care. Bye bye. What do you guys think? Please help me subscribe. God bless you.